Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Today, we're diving into a topic that is revolutionizing every corner of the modern world: artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars and healthcare innovations to AI-powered virtual assistants and advanced robotics, AI is reshaping industries, transforming daily life, and even influencing how we think about the future of work. Stay with us as we take a deep look into how AI is being used across various fields, the latest innovations, and the ethical questions this technology raises. By the end of this video, you'll have a detailed understanding of the rise of AI and what it means for our future. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes problem solving, speech recognition, decision-making, and visual perception. In this section, we'll explore the fundamentals of AI, its different branches such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, and how AI systems mimic human thought processes to deliver impressive results. AI has been a concept in the minds of scientists and dreamers for decades, but only in recent years has it become a reality. This section will take viewers through the history of AI, from its origins in the mid-20th century with pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy, to key milestones such as IBM's Deep Blue defeating a world chess champion, and Google's AlphaGo outsmarting human Go players. We'll also discuss the evolution of AI technology from simple computer programs to complex algorithms capable of self-learning. Machine learning is a key component of modern AI, allowing computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This section will explain how machine learning algorithms work, the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and the role of big data in training AI systems. We'll also explore deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to enable advanced image and speech recognition. One of the most promising applications of AI is in healthcare. From diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy to personalizing treatments for patients, AI is revolutionizing medical care. This section will explore how AI is being used in medical imaging, drug discovery, robotic surgery, and predictive analytics to detect illnesses early and optimize treatment plans. We'll also discuss how AI is helping to develop precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. Self-driving cars are no longer a concept from the distant future. AI is at the heart of the autonomous vehicle revolution, enabling cars to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and transport people safely. In this section, we'll explore the technologies behind autonomous vehicles, including computer vision, lidar sensors, and real-time data processing. We'll also discuss the challenges that remain in developing fully autonomous systems, such as regulatory hurdles and the ethical considerations of self-driving cars. AI is transforming the business world by automating repetitive tasks, optimizing operations, and providing insights that drive growth. This section will delve into how AI is being used in industries like finance, retail, and manufacturing to automate tasks such as data analysis, customer service through chatbots, and supply chain management. We'll also explore how AI is being leveraged to enhance decision-making, boost productivity, and create new business opportunities. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly common in industries like manufacturing, agriculture, and logistics. This section will explore the rise of intelligent robots, from robotic arms that assemble cars to drones that deliver packages. We'll also look at the future of human-robot collaboration in the workplace and how AI is enabling robots to learn and adapt to new tasks autonomously. AI is transforming education by offering personalized learning experiences for students of all ages. In this section, we'll explore how AI is being used in adaptive learning platforms, virtual tutors, and automated grading systems. We'll also discuss how AI is helping educators identify learning gaps, track student progress, and create customized curriculums tailored to each student's needs. AI's potential to make education more accessible and engaging for students worldwide will also be examined. AI is making a significant impact in the entertainment industry, from content creation to personalized recommendations. In this section, we'll explore how AI is being used by streaming services to recommend movies and shows, how algorithms are transforming music composition, and how AI-generated content is pushing the boundaries of creativity. We'll also discuss how AI-powered virtual influencers and deepfake technology are changing the face of entertainment. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in enhancing security systems worldwide. This section will dive into how AI is being used for surveillance, facial recognition, and cybersecurity. We'll discuss how AI algorithms can detect and prevent cyberattacks, monitor large-scale environments for suspicious activity, and even predict future crimes through data analysis. The ethical implications of AI in security and privacy will also be considered. As AI continues to automate tasks, there are concerns about its impact on jobs and the workforce. In this section, we'll explore how AI is reshaping industries, which jobs are most at risk of automation, and what skills will be essential in an AI-driven economy. We'll also discuss the concept of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, where AI and automation create new types of jobs, and the importance of reskilling workers to thrive in this new landscape. AI presents a number of ethical challenges, from bias in algorithms to concerns about surveillance and privacy. This section will explore the key ethical questions surrounding AI, such as how to ensure transparency in AI decision-making, how to avoid perpetuating biases in data, and how to create AI systems that are accountable to society. We'll also discuss the role of governments, companies, and researchers in developing ethical AI guidelines and regulations. AI is already part of our daily lives in the form of virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, and smart home devices that automate everything from lighting to temperature control. This section will explore how AI is enhancing convenience, personalization, and automation in everyday tasks. We'll also discuss the future of smart cities, where AI will be used to optimize everything from traffic flow to energy consumption. Can AI be truly creative? This section will delve into the world of AI-generated art, music, and literature, exploring how AI algorithms are pushing the boundaries of creativity. discuss the role of AI in fields like graphic design, architecture, and fashion, where machines are helping to generate new ideas and concepts. We'll also explore the debate over whether machines can ever truly replace human creativity. AI is still in its infancy, and the possibilities for the future are endless. In this section, we'll explore emerging trends in AI, from quantum computing and AI-driven healthcare breakthroughs to AI's potential role in space exploration. We'll also discuss the potential for AI to enhance human intelligence through brain-computer interfaces and the ethical considerations of merging AI with biology. AI is being used to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, including climate change. This section will explain how machine learning algorithms work, the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and the role of big data in training AI systems. We'll also explore deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to enable advanced image and speech recognition. One of the most promising applications of AI is in healthcare. From diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy to personalizing treatments for patients, AI is revolutionizing medical care. This section will explore how AI is being used in medical imaging, drug discovery, robotic surgery, and predictive analytics to detect illnesses early and optimize treatment plans. This section will take viewers through the history of AI, from its origins in the mid-20th century with pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy, to key milestones such as IBM's Deep Blue defeating a world chess champion, and Google's AlphaGo outsmarting human Go players. We'll also discuss the evolution of AI technology from simple computer programs to complex algorithms capable of self-learning. Machine learning is a key component of modern AI, allowing computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This section will explore how AI is being used to monitor deforestation, optimize energy use, and develop new climate models to predict and mitigate the effects of global warming. We'll also discuss how AI-powered technologies, such as smart grids and autonomous agriculture, are helping to create more sustainable industries. As we conclude this detailed exploration of artificial intelligence, it's clear that AI will have a profound impact on the future of humanity. Whether through innovations in healthcare, transportation, or entertainment, AI is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and it's essential that we develop AI in ways that benefit society as a whole. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain, but one thing is for sure, AI is here to stay. Thank you for watching this in-depth exploration of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on our world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more detailed videos on cutting-edge technology. Let us know in the comments which AI development you're most excited about, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.